Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore a powerful new concept in strategic procurement, that is the AI powered risk radar. Imagine if procurement had its own radar, not for planes but for risks. What if we could see disruption before they hit our supply chain? That's exactly what an AI powered risk radar is designed to do. That is, transforming procurement from firefighting to foresight. Supply chain today are more fragile than ever. Geopolitical tensions can suddenly close borders or disrupt trades. Climate disruptions from flood to wildfires are becoming more frequent. Also, financial instability puts suppliers at risk of failure, while logistics bottlenecks choke global movements of the goods. And if that wasn't enough, demand volatility adds sudden spikes or drops. For procurement leaders, each of these disruptions translate to delays, rising cost, and missed opportunities. Traditional risk monitoring is built on lagging indicators. We see the problems only after it has already hurt performance. Reports are static and periodic, missing disruptions that happens overnight. Visibility is narrow, focused only on direct suppliers, while real risk often hide in the broader ecosystem. This makes procurement reactive, always scrambling to fix issues instead of preventing them. Clearly, a smarter, faster approach is needed. Now imagine a different approach. Instead of relying on hindsight, procurement leaders gain foresight with a AI-powered risk radar. This system scans global events in real time, detects early warning signals, and map risk across the full supply chain, not just tier 1. It converts raw data into predictive insights, helping teams act before disruption strike. With AI, procurement moves from being reactive to becoming truly proactive. So how does AI risk radar actually works? It begins by collecting data from thousands of sources worldwide, from news reports to supplier filings. This data flows into an AI analysis engine where advanced algorithms detect weak signals that human might miss. The risks are then visualized on radar map as blips, categorized and prioritized. Finally, procurement teams receive real-time alert and intuitive dashboards, turning complexity into clear, actionable foresights. AI becomes powerful when it integrates into systems we already use. In SAP, the radar fuses internal procurement data, that is purchase orders, supplier master records, contracts, with external signal like financial news, ESG, ratings or logistic disruptions. The result is live risk score embedded into SAP dashboard. For procurement teams, this means that if a supplier shows red risk signals, they are automatically blocked from new sourcing events in system. The system even recommends alternate supplier from the SAP Business Network. If a commodity price is expected to spike, the AI recommends renegotiating contracts or building buffer stock using SAP IBP. This seamless integration allows procurement to act, not to react, all within the familiar SAP ecosystem. The power of AI risk radar is best seen through real world scenarios. Take a case of port strike. A sudden strike can shut down trade for weeks. With early detection through news, social chatter, companies can reroute cargo in advance and avoid heavy cost. In other cases, supplier bankruptcies often come to a shock, but AI continuously monitor financial signals, payment pattern, and legal filings, that allowing procurement teams to switch supplier months before collapse. Weather disruptions are another major risk. A cyclone in Asia, for instance, can cripple supply chain. By tracking global weather data, radar alerts businesses early enough to move inventory and secure logistics. And finally, raw material prices volatility, a nightmare for cost planning. AI identifies signals for an upcoming spikes, enabling companies to lock in contracts at favorable rates. These examples shows how AI doesn't just observe risk, it transforms them into actionable foresight. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope today's session gave you new perspective on how AI can transform procurement from reactive firefighting into proactive risk management.